how to fix the issue of eBay not sending a verification code. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent codes from being delivered. Make sure you're connected to a reliable network. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa to see if that helps. Second, update the eBay app. An outdated version might cause glitches, including issues with verification codes. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store for iOS users, search for eBay, and install any available updates. After updating, restart your phone to refresh the system. Third, clear the eBay app cache. Press and hold the eBay app icon, tap the info icon, then go to storage and clear both the cache and data. Once done, restart the app and try again. Fourth, check if eBay's servers are down. Sometimes the issue is on eBay's end, not yours. Visit websites like Down Detector or eBay's official help pages to confirm if there's a known outage affecting logins or verification services. By following these steps, you should be able to receive the verification code and access your account without further issues. So that's basically how you can fix the issue of eBay not sending a verification code. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.